Okay guys, I got a 2021 Ford Edge. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. We're going to open this up right here. Next, this piece right here goes in right here. You're going to slide it up so it's right here, and then it'll just come off. From there, you're going to just pull down on this until it goes all the way down. Next, you're going to push this piece out right here and drop this down a bit. Right here, push that out, drop that down. That gets you to the cabin air filter. You can pull it out. If it needs replaced, replace it. If not, put it back in. So we're gonna shut it. Okay, shut it like that. Pull this up, push it like that. Next, we're just gonna set this thing in here. It's gonna be kind of hard, but you gotta pull it out like that, and that's how you put it back together. So now that's all good to go. Thanks for watching.